Welcome to Raman Ghai, manufacturer and exporter of bicycle parts and hand tools. The company was incepted in 1971 at Ludhiana. Our streamlined business practices and sophisticated infrastructure facility help us to achieve a present repute in the market. We are backed by precision-engineered products, timely delivery schedules and industry-leading prices. We offer a huge gamut of pipe wrenches, automotive spanners, and tap wrenches. Dough spanners, pipe cutting, and mechanical tools offered by us are extremely reliable. Mason tools, measurement instruments, and water pump pliers are widely appreciated in the market. We also provide lock grip pliers, clamps, reeking bars, and socket bits that are well known for their durability. Our industrial saws, mechanical sockets, and ratchets are cost-effective. We are offering a top-notch quality range of impact drivers, grease gun, and leather aprons. To get more details, please visit our website www.rgiexports.com.